Hello guys, this is Mr. Aaron and we are playing Mukbang and we're not in the front because we claimed our room. Already my sister's at the restaurant thing, Mukbang restaurant. Yeah, and no one's allowed in my room.
Aaron, you need this camera.
Then yeah.
Aaron!
Then you
Aaron!
get any burger.
Aaron!
Then
Whoa! I did that already!
no, not you. And I need to add salmon, yes. And then add all the stuff I want.
I put my one down. Why is it for 6?
Make your own YouTube channel. And I'll add some cheese.
I can show you my pizza. My pizza pizza.
And no one's allowed because these are my only subscribers allowed. And if I like to subscribe, check on your profile. And I like to subscribe, please. Do you know how to play Roblox? I read that. Only the Roblox people know. Then I'm going to add cereal. We don't need to add and I might pause this. Don't try again, please, okay?